It's only got one more month until we're going to all hunt Brothers Bismuth and hopefully drive it to its correct price, which I think should be at least a few $1,000s an ounce. And I have a theory on why bismuth is so rare compared to lead and compared to most of its neighbors, and where else we might find bismuth in the future. So both lead and bismuth are formed from the decay of heavier elements, right? But there's a major difference between the series of decays that form lead and those that form bismuth. This is the uranium chain, and it ends with lead-206, but at one moment it becomes radon, which is a gas which bubbles out of the ground, right? Because most of the uranium on Earth is near the core of the Earth. So on its way down to lead, radon bubbles out and then it continues to decay, and then you get lead deposits like in Wallace, Idaho. Lead is one of the main byproducts of mining silver there. Surprisingly, they find very little uranium though, which tells you how deep underground that uranium, the lead began its life as, is, right? Now that same uranium, a different isotope of it, will also decay into bismuth, but on the way down, all of these metals are solid, and so a lot of that bismuth stays where it is near the core of the Earth. I suspect this is why bismuth is considerably rarer than lead. Now it makes you wonder about all the bismuth that's being formed near the core of the Earth, right? Because it's being formed one atom at a time, really slowly, right? If you look at the half-lives involved on the way down, there are two relatively long ones, right? Uranium-233, 159,000 years, and then there's thorium, that's 7,000 years. And then all of these happen, from a geological point of view, the rest of this chain is pretty much a heartbeat until you get to bismuth. It makes you wonder that bismuth is being formed one atom at a time, what kind of crystals it's forming. I'd love to see that someday. Now, maybe on another planet where some of these things are gases, right? You might have good solid amounts of bismuth like we do for lead here on Earth. But good luck, right? Because if any of these are a gas, probably so is bismuth, right?